When you are selfless, it is easy to achieve happiness. Because the joy of others is also considered your joy. And because of that, you support others to succeed. Because you know that when they are successful, it is also your success. You are happy for them. And they become your inspiration to also follow. They become their inspiration for you to also succeed.
Lahat tayo ay nangangarap maging bayani. Sa totoong palad, lahat ng mga nandito ay itinuturing ng ating kumpanya na mga makabagong bayani.
I still want to be. And that is why we are here to remind you that we want you to be. We want you to be that person who will continue to pursue your dreams. We want you to be that person who will continue to be the modern day bayani ng Santras.
Hindi madali ang daan patungo sa iyong mga pangarap. Hindi mabilis marating tagumpay na hinahanap. Minsan madadapa, matutumba, luluha, masasaktan, mawawalan ng pag-asa. Pero lagi mong tatandaan,
This is the time to be inspired once more. For the remaining 4 months, let's give it all. Whatever you need to do.
hirapan. Kaya tuloy, 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 huwag kang ihinto sa paglangoy. Sinlaki man ang dagat ang pangarap mo'y huwag kang matakot, ituloy. Pag-alabin mo gaya ng apoy, damdaming nangangarap, sige tuloy. Magtiwala kang posible ang lahat. Basta tuloy, 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 huwag matakot. Tuloy, tuloy, huwag mapagod. Tuloy, tuloy, sa pagkayod, pangarap mo'y maaabot.
Remember that day when you are losing that energy, when you are beginning to question, gusto ko pa ba? Always remember and go back to that day, your first day at Santras. Yung pinakaunang araw nyo sa Santras na punong-puno ka ng energy, punong-puno ka ng pangarap. So maybe by going back to that first day, manunumbalik iyong energy mo, manunumbalik yung desire, yung mithiin mo, not just for yourself, for your family, but for the company as a whole. That if we go back and capture again that feeling, you will even be better. We will even be better today because we have all that power. We all have that resources para mapaganda yung performance natin, not just for ourselves, not just for our family, but for Santras as a whole.
Ng dagat ang pangarap mo'y huwag kang matakot, ituloy. Pag-alabin mo gaya ng apoy, damdaming nangangarap, sige tuloy. Magtiwala kang posible ang lahat. Kaya tuloy, 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 huwag kang ihinto sa paglangoy. Sinlaki man ang dagat ang pangarap mo'y huwag kang matakot, ituloy.
Remember, as our theme says, Sun, it is always there with us. Diba? It follows us with its shadows. even in the gloomiest horizon, where there are so many dark clouds that we see, the difficulties that we see, we know that the sun is still there following us.
Tuloy-tuloy sa pagkayod, pangarap mo'y maaabot.